ibang earning application guys. Magic Words. Ito yung maglalaro ka lang dito guys. Marami dito offer. Kagaya ng mga task sa to. Ganito. Download mo lang yan yan lahat guys. Tapos nabubulol na ako Yan. Tapos minimum withdrawal nila dito is marami na naka-withdraw dito guys today sa $1,491. Wala, may hina talaga yung internet ko. Wait lang. Ito yung withdrawal method nila guys. Wait lang natin, loading pa kasi. Meron Lazada, GCash, PayPal. 0.35 yung minimum dito guys.